Hey, it's me again. Let's continue with this GitHub. So we're going to pick up right where we left off, and let's go back into our browser and open up our GitHub. So we just created our SSH key and we attached it to our GitHub. So now what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to create a repository and clone it into our Visual Studio Code. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to our profile. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click over on this left-hand side, and that's going to take us straight to our profile. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go up here and click repositories, and we're going to click new. Once we have clicked new, we're going to then name our repository. For the sake of this being our first repository and it being sort of a test run for us, let's just name this first repo. Remember when we're typing things that are multiple words to use dashes, and we want to use all lowercase as well. Then we can add a description if we want. I never do, but if you want to, totally up to you. And let's make sure that this is public. And then we want to initialize our repository with a README file. So we're going to click this. So as it says right here, this is where you can write a log description for your project. You can also click learn more if you want to read into this a little bit. After we check off our README file, we're going to scroll down and click create repository. So up here at the top, we have our code, which is going to be this main dashboard that you'll see when you click into this repository. Right here is where our other files are going to show up, so our HTML, our CSS, our JavaScript, etc. Your README file is going to pop up here, so this will be where all of that info will be displayed. Next to code, we have issues of where it'll report if there are any problems within your repository. Then you have pull requests, which we will get to in a later video. Then we have actions, projects, wiki, security, and insights, which we will not be touching on in these videos, but if you do want to look more into them, feel free to head over to those GitHub docs and dive right in. But we don't really need to know how those operate just yet. And then lastly, you just have settings over here on the right corner. You only really need to click into this when you want to adjust any security settings. And then here is where we have our branches. This will be where all of your branches are going to display and where you can view the different code in your different branches. This will also be another video. That's going to be it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one where we clone in our first repo into Visual Studio Code. Or if you're just stopping by for this video, bye!